Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about something completely different. I actually went to the new Apple store at Marina Bay Sands. I wanted to go there for quite some time, and after that, I will be unboxing iPhone 12 Pro Max. I will also show to you all sizes available side by side, and I will compare it with the 12 Pro. By the way, guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. We are currently at MBS. It took me quite a while to book this appointment. I think it took me like about 3 weeks. I just couldn't get it for ages, and I got lucky to get it on a Saturday. I could make an appointment at other branches. It was pretty easy, but this one is the most popular, and I tried all times. I tried to book in the morning, at the daytime, in the evening. I just got lucky to get it on a Saturday. And actually we are having dinner with friends, so I'm in a bit of the rush, but I just wanted to show you the new store. It's so cool and the staff is so friendly. I really liked my experience going to the store. It's raining outside, you can see the raindrops. Initially, I was thinking whether I should get iPhone 12 Pro because the size is almost the same and the price is so much different. But the thing is, I have to say that the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a much better quality of the camera, which is very important to me because I film my vlogs with my phone. And that's why I changed my mind. But today I want to show you all 4 sizes, and here are all of them side by side: the mini, then 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max. I'm very excited that I can actually compare them side by side. And I actually usually get the iPhones from my service provider, but I just wanted to show you them in the store. So basically you can actually come in and compare them in terms of their battery life, in terms of the screen, the camera. I feel like if I wasn't vlogging, I probably would go for iPhone Pro because it's good enough. It's not as sharp as iPhone Pro Max, but it still takes good pictures. The battery life is only 3 hours less than iPhone Pro Max, which is fine. It's not like I would need to use it for that long. And since I chose not to get the professional camera, I have to make sure that I get the best quality of camera on my phone instead. And I usually go for the biggest size because I need to store lots of pictures or videos, so I usually go for the highest memory. And here is the price if you want to get it from the store directly. You can also pre-order it from the website, but I have to say if you want to buy it from your service provider, it's actually a lot cheaper, and I prefer to do that. We also went to look at the iPads. We are considering getting iPad Air in the biggest size of the biggest memory, but I just wanted to show you other sizes as well: the mini, the medium size. They're so different. I feel like the larger one is really huge, but I need a bigger screen. And you can also compare the features and the prices of all of them, which is so cool. I think I will not be booking another appointment to come to the store. I will just order it online to save myself a hassle, but it's a really great experience to look at them in the store, compare them, speak to the salesperson, ask the questions if you have them. And the experience at the Apple stores is really great. I really enjoyed it. Anyways, we are going for dinner now, and tomorrow morning I will unbox the phone for you. I have 2 phones here. One is 12 Pro and another one is 12 Pro Max that I purchased, and I will start with 12 Pro Max. I'm so excited to unbox this phone with you guys. I was waiting for it for so long, and I was hoping that it would come out in September, but because of the pandemic, the launch was much later here. And I got the case from Apple as well. I quite like that it's clear. My previous case was very beautiful actually, but I couldn't find anything like that, and I like the fact that this one is actually from the same brand and I'm gonna use it for a while. So okay, let me show you what's in a box besides the phone. So basically the box actually doesn't have the plug for the charger. You have to get it separately, and there are the usual things. There is a pin inside, nothing else. There is no headphones, you have to buy them separately. Well, I don't mind getting my own AirPods, which I actually already have, but they keep removing so many things every time and the price doesn't go down as well. In fact, it only increases, so which is quite disappointing. You know what I mean? Oh well, I still like the phone. I'm glad that I have it and I'll be using it a lot. I'm not going to be putting a screen protector because I feel like the case that I have is good enough. And here is the iPhone Pro. I'm yet to back up all the data, all the videos, pictures from my current phone with which I'm filming at the moment. And then I will transfer everything to my new phone and will start using it. But see how both of them look together side by side. So size-wise, it's not very different, but the camera makes a huge difference for me. Every time we are out, for example, if we take pictures, I can see clearly that iPhone Pro Max takes way better pictures. And I also like the fact that the battery life is 3 hours longer, which is very, very important for me. I'm going to put on the case, and also it has this area for MagSafe charger, which I bought, which is great actually, and I will show it to you as well how it works. So this is on my phone now. It looks pretty good, and here is the MagSafe charger. It basically attaches to the case. It's so easy and it doesn't move at all. And I love it. I can always plug it into my laptop and just charge my phone. It's super convenient. This is it, guys. I hope that you like this video. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. And please do consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos, although these videos are usually about luxury, shopping or fashion. But I hope that you will find these videos useful. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!